what kind are we making?
I don't know.
Blackberry pancakes or regular, because not everybody wants blackberries in theirs. So we're just going to make the pancake batter like we normally would, and then, can you put another one of those in there? And then we'll just add a few blackberries to some when we get them in the pan. So we're using Hungry Jack Complete Buttermilk Pancake Mix, but instead of water, we're gonna add half water and half milk to the batter. It makes them really fluffy.
That's how you flatten it down with this.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, got some on it a little.
That's okay.
Okay. Because you need to make pizza. Just go ahead.
Right.
Wait, I need to flatten this down a little.
If y'all need to make pizza, just go ahead. Just go ahead. Okay, let's get
a bowl.
Berry bowl here.
Yeah, a little berry bowl for berries.
We gotta wash the blackberries. These are too little. They won't fit into that big green, well, it's not big, it's little, but the holes are big in that berry strainer. We'll get these washed and
we
then...
We have to use big ones to put in that berry strainer.
We need a little bit of water, and then we'll do a whole thing of milk. And then if we need to add a little more, we'll add some more milk probably. I'll see how it feels.
Now mixing.
Now mixing. Yep, let me get it where it won't splash. There you go.
Yeah.
I think we'll definitely need a little more. We'll put a little bit more milk in there. While you're mixing, I'll get the pan ready, okay?
Okay. I think we're making Mr. Sausage.
Mr. Sausage.
Making some pancakes. You know, I never helped you cook pancakes.
You haven't?
Uh-huh.
I bet you have over the past 4 years.
Uh-huh.
You think?
Last time. I can actually just hold this thing.
We've got some blackberry syrup that we're going to be using that we got from the granary yesterday. We also got this pecan syrup. Where did we get this from? Maybe it was one of the stores in Dahlonega the other day. Can't remember for sure where we got that from. Titus didn't really like it. I haven't tried it yet. He didn't have pancake when he tasted it. He just taste tested it, you know. So we'll make a batch of regular ones first, then we'll add some blackberries to a few of them. All right, let me see how this pecan syrup tastes. I can see why he didn't like it. What is that reminding me of? Okay, it tastes kind of, okay, you know how, you know those syrups you can get for coffee to flavor your coffee? That's what that tastes like. It would probably be really good in coffee. I'm gonna go ahead and taste the blackberry syrup. It's really good. Later this afternoon, we're gonna go do something, not exactly sure what yet. I wish it was the Smoky Mountains we were going to, but we're probably gonna wait until we finish up with school for that. That way if we wanna go on a weekday, because the weekdays are the best days to go. It's not too busy. I mean, until you really, really get to summer break, then it's busy every day. But we're gonna go do something later. And for these, we'll just put a few blackberries. You got a rock climb? Can you do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
The last time I did the other quick climb.
You did? You got it. I'm right behind you. Go ahead. There's the rock. There you go. We're back in Helen again. The kids want to ride the mountain coaster. I just hit my head on a tree limb. And we're gonna get ice cream. I think at the Mason Jar Coffee and Gelato shop, we'll get some gelato. This is a pizza place we've never eaten at. We might try that one day. A slice of Helen. We've never been there before. We're gonna go down here to the Wonderland Antiques and Curiosities. We didn't get to go in there a couple of weeks ago when we were up here. Oh, look at these old typewriters.
Look at this goose bowl.
Oh, yeah. Yep, it's a goose bowl. That's Mr. Stinky right there. It's the toilet paper holder.
Oh. I like it when you come in these antique stores and they're actually playing like really, really old
Yeah, vintage style music, yeah.
How do you play?
Oh, that's a nice wagon.
Let's see, there's tires in the house.
Yeah, Daddy, how do you play these?
What? Are you kidding?
That's what we used to watch them on.
That's what we used to
Those
use.
are called VHS tapes. You had to have a VCR. Vintage roller skates, 1970s to 1980s. 215 is a pencil sharpener.
Yeah, that's what
We used to have that. We used to have those too. I'm starting to feel more vintage the more we walk through this one. This is Dottie's kitchen. It's already closed today, but it's home of the cat head biscuits. It was a long wait for the mountain coaster today. I think it's been about 30 or 40 minutes, but they should be coming any minute now. I stood in line with them for a little while. Yeah, I'm just a chicken. I go too slow, and I feel bad because whoever's behind me, I don't want to, to ruin their ride because they probably want to go fast. I used to ride rides. I don't know what happened. Over the years, I just became a chicken, a big old chicken. I'm getting a lot of good smells from right here, though. There's always pretty views up here at the mountain coaster. See the mountains over there? I'm pretty sure where that cloud of smoke is coming from is Cowboys and Angels. Definitely smelling that. And right over there is the Mason Jar shop and the gelato shop right there. They have really good gelato and coffee. Jonah's the first one up. He's about to come around right here. This is where it starts, and then I'll go to where it ends to meet them, or to where they come out to meet them.
He was a little bit scared when we first started, everybody. I thought he rode this before, but he's acting like he's a little bit scared. We're gonna go slow, Buddy Rowe. Huh?
I won't be scared of those bumps.
You won't be?
I don't want to see people getting scared of those bumps. Okay.
He's telling me he's seeing people be scared of the bumps.
Yeah, but I ain't.
He ain't scared of them. Harry, we've reached the top. You want to go slow or fast?
Slow.
Okay, well, let's go slow then. Let's don't go, whoa, we're going slow. We don't want to go fast, do we, Skater Bike? How you like it?
Good. I like going slow, actually.
He likes going slow, everybody. Woo, I see some squirrels.
Slow.
We going slow. We ain't going faster.
This ain't scary. Slow. I keep saying slow. This ain't that scary.
Whoa! We gotta slow down a little bit right there.
Jonah wants passion fruit, Sissy wants cookies and cream, Manly wants peanut butter chocolate chip. They've also got blueberry cheesecake, black forest, salted caramel, and strawberry. Here's their lattes, almond joy around the campfire, cinnamon bun, maple pancake. Life is like a box of chocolates, toasted marshmallows, snapping turtle, Girl Scout cookie, coconut chai, and pistachio. Peanut butter cup frappe.
Really good. Me, Jonah, and Aldridge in here trying to find Fallon something for Mother's Day. Sissy thinks she knows what she wants. What is it, baby? She wants a spatula. She likes those? We know she likes Pioneer 1.
Meat tenderizer.
Meat tenderizer. Yeah, let's get her some of those. Let's see, Daddy will get her a big jumbo turner with olive wood handle.
Oh yeah, Mom always needs something to help her cook balls.
Oh, Mama needs that? What about a new frying pan? Let's see. I think she might like this one right here, baby. This one right here. What about some flowers? Y'all want to get her some flowers? Get them purple ones right there, Cece. That's pretty right there.
Wait, you left the buggy.
Yeah, that's all right. We'll leave the buggy right there.
Yeah, that.
They got a lot of vegetables here. Let's get about 3 of these right here. I think these would be perfect. All right, let's go.